Okay, here's my first review on the parts that I bought from wrenchracing.com. I bought a mass airflow sensor and 2 oxygen sensors. So obviously the box already came pre-packaged with wrappings and stuff on it, so it doesn't fall apart. Box is made out of cardboard. It looks like it's square, so therefore it gets a 10 out of 10 for that. Okay, now for the contents, we have the parts, propaganda, a nice sticker, some candy, which is kind of unusual. It's cherry Jolly Ranchers, which is nice actually that they would include some candy in there. The only issue I see is that they're both cherry, so they're not very diverse in how they hand out their candies to customers. If you look at this closely, looks like this one's maybe been suckled on by a worker, or maybe not, so they're going to lose some points for that, but it's nice that they put it in there. Mass airflow sensor, we'll look at that first. Here's the part number. It's a Denso. First time fits, we'll see about that. Let's open it up. Okay, nicely packaged. I already opened them up, by the way, to make it easier to work with one hand. Attention, inspect contents, blah, 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 made in China. Okay, we'll compare that one to the original I pulled out. Okay, here's the original, right on the floor here. Looks good. You want to be careful not to touch the electrical connections on there on the new one. All right, there's the part number. Yeah, I have what, 1, 2, 3, 5 prongs in there with a nice gold one in the middle there. Adds to the value. This one here looks the same. The front's not exactly the same, but it's general shape. Also has a little golden pin in the middle there. It's nice. All right, so I'm gonna put this up here so it doesn't get dirty. Let's look at the little 2 sensors. Now they're both the same for upstream and downstream. Here's the part number. All right, pull it out. Smell the O2 in the sensor already. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Okay, shake it loose. All right, we'll compare it to the old one. Now remember, per the shop manual, the Lotus shop manual, the O2 sensor has to be the length of 2 garage tiles, roughly, and a spark plug. All right, so we'll check that. Let's see. It's hard to do with one hand, but you know what? It looks like it's 2 garage lengths plus a spark plug, so we're good to go. We'll look at the ends now. Here's the old one. Doesn't look too bad. I'm replacing them because of age, not necessarily because there's a code or anything wrong. All right, here's the other one. Wow, it's the same type of design. They're both Bosch, so looks good. All right, here's the part number. The L2 sensor, like I said, upstream and downstream are the same. The mass airflow sensor, which is a Denso, supposedly Toyota OEM. All right, and I give Monkey Wrench a total of 9.9 out of 10 because of the candy, because they were both cherries and looked like one was suckled on. But overall, pretty good. I plan on installing this today, and I'll do another video on that. Also, I tracked my maintenance down here. So if you guys want a copy of this, I can always send you or email it to you. And I track everything here and I sort it. This is how I keep track of all the parts I've replaced, what it needs. Pretty much green means I already did it, fixed it. And then 0 on there, so it sorts to the top. You've got 1, orange, meaning something I have to do, work on next. Yellow, 2 after that, and then red is a long-term project. Not critically important, but eventually I have to do. So, see you in the next video.